everyone! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Aisha Loves Makeup. Today I'm going to be unboxing the Birchbox for the month of December. If you guys want to know what I got in my box, then keep on watching. Alrighty guys, so if you didn't see this holiday sweater that I posted in my last video, this is the holiday sweater for today. As I said in previous videos, every day that I do a video, I'm going to do a different holiday sweater. So this is my holiday sweater. I guess this is supposed to be like a Christmas tree with like all cool little funky little ornaments on it. So cute. I love, 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 love. Just a big cuddly Christmas tree. Yeah. So before I do my unboxing, I just want to take the time out to introduce myself to anyone new to my channel. My name is Aisha. I absolutely love makeup and trying new things. So I decided to start a channel because I was purchasing lots of makeup subscription boxes just so that I can try out different stuff. And then I noticed that like a lot of people actually like enjoy watching unboxing videos. I know I enjoy watching unboxing videos. It's very therapeutic to me. So I just started, the channel. And I do lots of makeup subscription boxes on here. So if you're considering getting a makeup subscription box, I do a decent amount of them on here. So it can help, maybe it can help you pick which one you want to get. Or if you want to know what you're going to get before you get it, you can watch my channel. I also do makeup hauls. I do mystery boxes, advent calendars, anything makeup related, you got it on this channel. So if these are things that you love, I would say consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Become a part of my YouTube family. And without further ado, let's get into the box. Alrighty, so let's do a sneak peek. So we have the card on the top. Then we got, the card tells you what you got and the prices. Then it's blue, I guess, for winter. And these are the things that I got in the box. Oh, wow, nothing dropped out this time. Alrighty, so let's see. The first thing I got is a red nail polish by Nails Inc. London. I do not wear regular nail polish. I only do like the gels, the ones that last all day. So I will be giving this away, but that's the color they gave me. This nail polish retails for $11. Oh, and I also forgot to tell you this box retails for $15. So right off the bat, this is $11. So you already got like pretty much the value of the box. The next thing I got is a Velvet Rosebud Soothing Hand Cream by Botanic Beauty. Alright, the next thing I got, oh, how much was that? That retails for $9. The next thing I got is a Lisa Waiter. It's a makeup fix. So I guess it's like a setting spray. I never heard of this brand before. Lisa Water. This retails for... The full size retails for $26. They don't tell you what the deluxe size costs. The next thing I got is a hair mask. It's a weightless, soften, restore, deep condition hair mask by the brand Verb. I've never heard of this brand. This retails for $18 for the full size. They do not give us a price for the deluxe size. And I got a Hola Neon Tinted Lip Balm. So this is the only like lip product, makeup product I want to say we got. Oh, I love the packaging. This is beautiful. Do you guys see like the expression or like the happiness I get when I like get like makeup compared to like when I get like skincare? I'm like, oh, when I got a you know? But this is beautiful. Ooh, and look at this. Ooh. This is so cute. I've never heard of Hola Neon, but they darn sure got some cute packaging. How cute. This is definitely a color that I would wear. So, this is the only thing I was actually excited to unbox. I'm guessing this is a full size. Is it? Let me see if it looks like a full size. Yeah, this looks like a full size regular standard lipstick. This looks full size. Looks like kind of like a burgundy-ish color. Ooh. Drop the cap, but I'll get that later. This retails for $17, so this price is over the price of the whole box. So yeah, I would give this a 3 out of 10. I only liked the lipstick, so it's there. That's why they're mystery boxes, though. Like, you don't know what they're gonna really be. Like, you know, that's the whole. It's like a bargain. Like, it could be a bargain, could not, but that's the whole point of it. I am happy for the lipstick, and lucky for me, I do have a YouTube channel where whatever I don't want, I can give away. So it's always a win-win on this channel. Yeah, and that's really about it. With Birchbox, they let you pick like between 2 different boxes. If you don't want the box, you can just pick to choose to get a full size item. I always choose to get the box just because I want to be able to show you guys like what you could have got if you got one of the boxes. I think I like the other box better, but as always, I always wait too late to choose and I get stuck with whatever's left over. Because like most people, we all have jobs and we actually work, and we're not at home like waiting by the computer to pick an item. So yeah, a little salty about that, but it's like that with most of the subscription boxes. It is what it is. It's this, I guess it's just all a gamble. But I'm super excited to try the lipstick nevertheless. So that's it for this box. What did you guys think about the box? Let me know in your comments down below. Let me know if you guys subscribe to Birchbox. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like my videos and you want to support me, just give me a lovely thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And subscribe if you love watching makeup videos. If you like watching makeup subscription videos. If you just like makeup in general, subscribe. And that's really about it. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you guys all in my next